Hold on 1 second, guys. Oop. Okay, sorry guys. So what I'm going to do is put my terabyte hard drive into the PS4 Pro, because that's where all my saved information is and all that, and I don't have to reinstall everything onto the new PS4 Pro hard drive. Now what I'm going to do is when I get the PS4 Pro hard drive, my original one put in there, I'm going to have, because the PS4 Pro hard drive comes with one. Let's set this up. It comes with one. So you guys can see I'm going through the setup process. We're going to set the Wi-Fi up later. Skip, because I want you guys to see the password and everything. We're in Eastern. Yep, right there. Yep. I'm just going to keep the time like this. It's not really the time, but next. Next, don't really care. Accept. Start now. So, when they plug up the system at GameStop, delete. There you go. All right, awesome. So we have it here. We have it set up. Awesome, everybody. So we're gonna hook up the PS4 back up. My terabyte hard drive, I should say. So we're gonna power and turn off PS4. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm gonna have you guys watch me hook all that stuff back up. All right. So we're gonna wait for the PS4 to shut off. Let's take this, point this downwards, or down. I don't know if downwards is a word. So we're gonna wait for this completely to shut off. All right. Okay. Close that up. Hook this onto there. This is for updating only, and I have it marked. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna bring the camera here, like that, and we're going to take everything back out now. All right. So everything worked. 500 gig is ready to go. Slide this out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I nervous or something? All right. Awesome. 500 gig is ready to go back in the system. And we're gonna bring the terabyte back over here. Okay. Put this 500 gig back in here. Put it back in the wrapping and the protective shielding. Show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. This right here, plastic part, helps protect it. We're gonna put it back in the box that my terabyte hard drive came in. All right, guys. All right, awesome. Do that, do that. It's back in the box. We're gonna keep this out. Now we're going to, oh, here's the casing right here. So the black part right here, these little bushings there, one of them came out, so we want to slide that one back in. It's nothing major if it's not in there, but I want to put it back on so it can get out of my way. And it is on right there. See? Awesome. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so let's put this terabyte back in here. All right, and then let's screw these screws back in there. Uh-oh. There we go. That's one. Uh-oh. Don't want to strip that. Be up the creek on that one. Uh-oh. There we go. And we don't want to crank down on these screws either. Man. Snapping. Of course, every time I always drop a stinking screw. I dropped another screw, you guys. You guys probably heard that. All right. There we go. All right, let's put the hard drive back in there. Awesome. Let's put the casing back on it, or the protective, or the, you guys know what I mean, the shield back on it. I don't know why I'm tripping, y'all. There we go. And let's get this back on here where it was before. Slide this back. How that was. And let's get a drum roll. Well, it's not really drum roll, because this is back to the original hard drive, the terabyte hard drive, which we all know that obviously works.